Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. If you've ever been overwhelmed by too many notifications from the Roblox app on your Android phone, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to easily manage mobile push notifications in Roblox. You'll learn how to turn off or on only what you need. So first, open the Roblox app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, select Notifications from the options. Now tap on Mobile Push Notifications. Here you will find different types of alerts, including friend requests, messages, and promotional updates. Finally, use the toggles next to each notification type to turn them on or off, based on your preference. There's no need to save anything. Your changes will be saved automatically. Adjusting your Roblox mobile notifications is simple and quick. Customizing these settings helps you focus on what matters most to you in the app. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more settings to improve your experience.